AI is changing the way real estate agents are doing business. It's changing the way we as realtors are attracting leads. We as realtors are converting leads and building relationships at scale with clients, with potential buyers and sellers out there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in my real estate business, how I am leveraging AI, this most powerful tool that I know to generate leads while I sleep. So if this is your first time here, my name is William Zhang. I am a realtor here in Austin, Texas. I'm also the founder of All Place Media. We help realtors become the go-to agent in your market. Instead of chasing leads, leads will be attracted to you. We do this by building your AI avatar and create your lead attraction content machine that generates buyers and seller leads, build relationship at scale while you sleep, without ever you needing to film, ever to script, ever to edit. It's a all done for you service. And right now we're running a special. We're waiving the AI avatar setup fee, where we set up your AI avatar for free. And we'll create the first 3 videos for free. If you're interested in this offer, you can sign up and apply using the link down below to see if you qualify. And now let's get back to the video. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing in my real estate business that can help me scale my business to multi-6 figures in GCI. So this is the most powerful way that I'm using AI in my business. That is creating my AI avatar. I'm going to show you this video right here. I want you to watch carefully.
If you're thinking about moving to Austin, Texas, you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and confusion. One moment you're hearing about East Austin, then someone mentions Hill Country, and suddenly you're wondering if you need to buy a house in the woods instead. I get it. Austin can feel overwhelming, especially if you're...
So these are the type of videos that I am building, I am creating using my content team. They did this without me doing anything. If you haven't realized, this entire video, this avatar right here is my AI twin. It's my AI avatar. He's the one doing the talking. He's the one doing the hand gestures. And because the way we're structuring our content, this content is attractive to clients, to buyers who are looking to move to Austin, Texas. And obviously here in Austin is one of the markets that has a lot of relocation buyers. And it's because of videos like these, I was able to attract leads that are coming to me, booking calls on my calendar. And then when they come to town, they want to see the homes. I'm their go-to agent for the marketplace. And that is because of how powerful video is. We can actually reach people that are from out of town. I just got on the phone with someone from the Netherlands. They said, I've been watching your videos for the past year or so. We're interested in moving to Austin. We're interested to buying an investment home here in Austin, Texas. The reason he got into Austin is because he has a job here. It's a tech sector. He has a technology job here, and he's looking to invest in the area. That could have never happened if I did not create video content that's putting myself out there. And I know one of the biggest hurdles, one of the biggest issues preventing a lot of realtors from growing their business, from becoming successful in the industry, is that they are afraid of putting themselves out there. But whether you like it or not, real estate is a lead generating game. Basically, you got to generate leads. You got to put yourself out there, get enough exposure to sell people on your service, to let them know that you're a realtor. And the best way to do that at scale with leverage is by actually putting video content out there using social media, like on Meta, like on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, right? By reaching more people, you can actually let more people aware that you are a realtor, and when they have that service, when they have that need to buy or sell homes, they can come to you. That's exactly how I closed over $5 million in real estate just this year. And I have a couple million under contract that's going to close by the end of the year as well. I'm closing tomorrow my first $1 million home. That's a great commission check. I'm so excited about that. And that client, all of them, came to me because of my YouTube content. They saw me, they've been watching my videos. I didn't really have to do a lot of follow-up because they just spend their time watching the content I produce. But the hardest part is that I gotta stay consistent. I gotta actually come up with creative ideas. I gotta script, I gotta film, I gotta edit, I gotta do all of the work. But now, because of AI, we
In
can
Texas,
create
you're probably
content like
feeling a mix of
this.
excitement and
We
confusion.
can
One
create
moment you're hearing about East
awesome
Austin, then
B-rolls,
someone
we can
mentions
create
Hill Country,
awesome
and suddenly
videos,
you're wondering
we
if you
can
need to buy
create
a
an
house in the woods
actual
instead. I
story
get
that's
it. Austin can feel
convincing
overwhelming,
for
especially if you're
our
trying to figure out where you're
audience,
supposed to live.
so that we are
I've lived in
attracting
Austin for
leads.
more
Look
than
at
10 years,
how
and I help people
realistic
relocate
this
here.
is. I have a side angle of myself. So this is exactly what my team is doing here for me, where we're building AI avatar with multiple outfits, multiple looks, multiple styles, so that the video looks authentic, looks real. It's hard to recognize. I can barely tell. It sounds amazing. It sounds just like me. And we're actually doing great visual storytelling to help you build a content machine that works while you sleep. That's why I'm able to work like maybe just a couple hours every single week to attract leads and then service them, right? That's all I do. Like this past year, I broke 6 figures in earnings. I feel so proud of myself. And I didn't really work that hard if I consider what I really did throughout the week. I just create content, I put it out there. Someone wants to show the home, I go there. The relationship is already built. I didn't have to do cold calling. I didn't have to do all follow up. They are the ones actually following me. They want me to be their realtor because they've been watching my content for months, for years, some of them. And that's how I'm able to build a big leverage. And that's why you as realtor, if you really want to succeed in this business, if you want to, obviously you probably already know that this is a lead generation game, right? You want to build relationship at scale, and best way to do it is via video. And now, because of the power of AI, once we set up your AI avatar, we'll create the best content that fits your market, that will make you into the go-to agent in your market. Will actually create content that makes sense, that you can send out to other people who are into who got into your CRM, right? So the plan is going to be things like 10 best way to buy a new construction home in Austin, Texas. Those videos can be made using your AI avatar. My team's going to script the videos, going to film the video for you. So, and then we're going to generate the AI avatar, create the content. We're going to make the story sound convincing. We're going to create the lead magnet for you so that you'll generate leads while you sleep. And I'm really, really excited because right now, like just 5 months ago, I tried using this AI avatar. It wasn't that good, but just a couple months ago, again, I tried it again. The technology has improved so fast. It's so vivid. It's so lifelike right now. And I'm so excited about what's going to happen in just the next couple of weeks, or maybe even just the next month, because this is an amazing technology. And when we talk about AI is not going to replace you, that's absolutely true. Because at the end of the day, we as realtors, we got to be the one hand-holding our buyers, hand-holding our sellers, helping them in these high-stakes situations to make one of the biggest purchase and selling decisions of their life, of their one of the most valuable assets of their lives. It's so important that we as humans are there for them. But there's a lot of, as we all know, there's a lot of gap. There's like a long way from helping them through that finish line to from meeting them for the first time, right? It takes a lot of work, whether you're spending money on advertising, whether you're going out open houses, where you're doing actually just walking on the street and telling people that you're a realtor. There is a long journey before you can actually take them on as clients and they entrust you with everything. So the best way to do this front loading part, is to create content, at scale, is to create content that people want to watch, and you can send these content and use these content to attract them, to attract the people that you want to work with. I really appreciate the work that I put in this last year in terms of growing my content machine. Now that the people who work with me, they trust me. They trust me because they saw my videos. They spend a lot of time with me on the internet, even though I never met them before, but they built that relationship by watching my videos. And I think moving forward, every single real estate agents need to have their own content machine, needs to have their own lead attraction machine, because that is the way we can build relationships at scale and make things easier. So if you are interested in learning how we here at All Place Media is going to help you create the best lifelike AI avatar and create the best lead generation content machine that generate leads while you sleep without you ever needing to film, script, or edit, you can sign up, you can apply using the link down below. Again, we're running this special, we're waiving your AI setup fee. We're setting your AI avatar up, waiving that fee. And we're creating your first 3 videos for free, just so you can experience the power of using AI in your real estate business. So use the link down below to apply to see if you qualify. And if you're interested in learning more about how AI avatar looks like, want to see that video, you can click this video right there. And hint, that video is AI generated.